Recently, many parents have asked me the same thing, what to do when their child is not taking interest in their studies. Please help them to focus on the pain and gain he will have. Hi, I am Vidisha Mishra. I am a life coach. Today, I will tell you how to focus on the pain and gain and how it is important. Our brain is wired in such a way that we run away from pain and we move towards the gain or the pleasure. When we pay attention effectively on the pain we can have or the pleasure we can enjoy, our brain also learn in that way and act accordingly. In the beginning, the habit gives us pleasure, isn't it? But they invite the pain the moment this habit turns into addiction. If your child fall in a bad habit, they fail to see the long-term pain. They just enjoy the short-term gain. If your child is not taking interest in his studies, then just make him realize about the pain and gain he will have. Suppose your child isn't taking interest, set a rapport and ask to make him realize on the pain and gain through these 4 questions. The first question, what are the pleasure you will have if you don't study well? Second question, what are the pain you will have if you don't study well? Third question, what are the pleasure you will enjoy if you study well? And the fourth question is, what are the pain you will have if you study well? So once he does it, he is actually heading to one of the important decisions in his life. He will understand how the pain and gain help him. Similarly, if you can ask this question to yourself also when you want to get rid of from your bad habit. So you can say that if I continue with this behavior, so you can ask the first question, what are the pleasure I can have if I continue with this behavior? Just to make a list of your long-term and short-term pleasure. And if you say that you can't find any pleasure when you smoke, it is not so. Your unconscious mind have gained some pleasure, then only your mind have retained this behavior. So when you smoke, you feel relaxed from stress, or feel relieved, or you get a company of friends. The second question you should ask, that is, what are the pleasure, what are the pain you can have if you continue with this behavior? Yes, the second question, what are the pain you can have if you continue with this behavior? Just make a written note of all the short-term and long-term pain, and pay attention on your major areas of your life, that is your health, your social situations, then your financial life, then relationship. And the third question that you will ask, that is, what are the pleasure I can have if I don't continue with this behavior? And the fourth one is, what are the pain I can have if I don't continue with this behavior? Once you do it, just make a list of these 4 questions and then go through it number of times till you enjoy or understand the threshold of the pain and gain, and your brain will learn effectively and act accordingly. Now I think you understood that how it is important to know the pain and gain. Even this type of questions, the pain and gain, help you to take decision also. Hope this strategy, pain and gain, and how to focus on pain and gain will help you. Thank you for watching this video, and stay healthy, stay safe.